Hello everyone, welcome to this particular tutorial video, and in this video we'll be talking about how you can maximize trend reversals, understanding the psychology behind it, and how you can actually make a lot of money from it. So now I'll implore you to pay rapt attention and watch this video to the end, because it's necessary that you understand what would how you're going to spot reversals, and so that you don't get stopped out in the market. All right, now there are different forms of formations that we actually use for reversals, but the most profitable of them all is the head and the shoulder pattern. The head and the shoulder pattern is been proven to be the best of all the chart formations. That signifies or tells you that the trend is changing its direction. So before we go right in, I'd like you to subscribe to this channel if you're new, and if it's your first time being here, click the subscribe button and also click the bell button so you get notifications whenever we upload videos like this and whenever we have our live tutorials. So quickly looking at the illustration in front of us here, you can see that the first type of chart we have here is the symmetrical triangle. Now, symmetrical in the sense that this is how the chart is usually going to look like, where you have the market going to the higher high, the higher low, higher high, higher low. Then you can see that the trend pattern is being consistent, and when it gets here, you can see it drops. Also you can see there's a higher high and there's a higher high here, but when it drops here, though we still had a higher low and a higher low here, but the next high that was formed wasn't a higher high, instead it was a lower high. So from here you start taking cognizance that, oh, something could actually be wrong with the market, and it's safe for us to actually wait for the market to be in the downtrend before we actually place our entry. So what we need to confirm here is, we've seen that the market pushed up, down, pushed up, but never came back to this previous high. Then the next thing, it broke the previous low, which is here. So it broke the previous higher low and formed a lower low. So these are the characteristics. Formed a lower low. So on forming that lower low is where we expecting and waiting for a retest. This is where we're expecting and waiting for a retest. On that retest is where we'll place our entry, just right here at this neckline. You can see. So the same thing happens for here. It drops, goes up, drop this way, goes up, drop this way, goes up, drop this way, and it drops below the neckline. So basically all you're looking for is for price to drop below the neckline, and on dropping below the neckline, the next thing you're going to do is not just enter, because you're expecting a discount in the market, expecting a kind of discount in the market. So you would want, you want the price to retest back to that neckline before placing your entry, either a sell or a buy. But in this particular example, what we are seeing here is a buy trend that reverses to a sell trend. So the third type is this descending wedge. You can see where you have the market moving in a descending channel. Yes, I would say a bearish channel. You can see this from here to here, then dropped lower than before. You can see, then went up and dropped lower again. Well, as for me, if I were to be the person actually doing this particular trade, I would have entered at this S right here, this second S here. Yes, this second S would have been my entry. That's this second shoulder would have been my entry. Why? Because from here, from here, I can already see that this particular line here has been broken. This neckline here has been broken. So all I'm waiting for is to see if when this pulls back up, if it still comes here or pushes higher than here. So if it's so like what I'm seeing here, I can see that this came up to this level and never touched here. So I would have entered on this movement here. But to be on the safer side, it's best you actually allow it break this second neckline and make a retest to this level. On that part, you would have had your confirmation and you place your entry, and you can never miss it because it's definitely going to obey the trend formation. So let's just quickly jump into our chart and see what we're talking about. So it's very necessary that you you understand this so that you don't get stopped out whenever you're trading the trend. I'm doing this because of the trend traders, not basically because of the um, um, trend reversal traders. Basically because of the trend traders, because you might be in a particular trade and you won't know when the trend is coming to an end or when the end trend has reversed. So it's a very sure way and a good way for you to know that the trend has ended. So look at this, for instance. You can see that right here, you can see that the trend dropped lower, push back upwards, then drop to this level and push back upwards again, then dropped here. Okay, let me try to reduce it so that you can have a much clearer sight about this. Okay, sorry, where were we? I think let me draw a line to help us spot it. Okay, all right, so this is where we were. So do not forget to actually click the subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and if you want to get proper understanding on how to trade and be profitable, all you need to do is just to subscribe to this channel and click the bell button, and do not also forget to share this video with your friends. So now you can see this, so you'll be adding this here. So secondly, the our paid signal is starting this month, so I will appreciate if you guys can be part of it. And if you kind of person that is very busy and don't know how to look for trades yourself, you can help yourself by joining our premium group, where we actually give you signals on a daily basis. So now you can see this. So now this is what I was talking about. The market pushed up, dropped to this level. Let me mark this level here, then pushed up again to this place and pushed down. Now on pushing downwards, you can see it later pushed up here. On pushing up, sorry, on pushing up, you can see that it broke this neckline, this line here. You can see it actually pushed higher than this place. So on pushing higher than here, this level here tells you that the market has might stop going down very soon. So you broke this level here, which is this previous high, which was the lower high. So broke this level, pushed higher, then dropped and never came back to this entry point here. Remember, sorry, this end point here, it never came back to this lower low here, then pushed up. So from this, you will know that the market has started another trend. Then you can see it came down to form a double bottom here. You can see the double bottom here. Then you can see that how the market pushed higher to this level. So that's how you can actually spot trend reversals in the market. So if you actually enjoy this video and you like to get more tips on understanding how to trade, and you want to also be part of our live videos and trainings, I advise that you subscribe to this channel, and also click the bell button so you get notifications whenever we upload good videos like this and we have our webinars. Also, you can also join our Telegram group with the link in the description below, so that you can benefit from our signals and also paid signals. So if you enjoy this video, please share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe.